Disclaimer: please follow proper safety procedures while working on live lines. Installation of cable lugs. Accessories required for the installation of cable lugs are wire brush, marker, oxide inhibiting compound for aluminum lugs only. The various tools required during the installation of cable lugs are cable insulation stripper, crimping tools and dies, measuring tape. Let us look at the correct procedure for installing a cable lug. Prerequisites: identify the correct type of cable lug required for a particular electrical connection. Choose the crimping tool and dies with the exact dimensions recommended by the manufacturer of the cable lug. Ensure this by checking the markings on the lug or from the labels on the packages. Cable preparation. Step 1. Measure the length of the insertion depth of the lug to be used. Step 2. Once measured, mark the length using a marker. Step 3. Using a suitable stripper, cut and remove the cable insulation, leaving extra allowances. Step 4. Clean or brush the surface of the conductor using a wire brush to remove the oxides present. Step 5. Apply oxide inhibiting compound on the cable strands for aluminum lugs. Note: Access aluminum cable lugs have factory-filled oxide inhibiting compounds. In the next section, we shall see how a cable lug connection is done using two different crimping tools. Cable lug connection using a battery-operated crimping tool. Step 1. Insert the cable or conductor into the barrel of the cable lug. Step 2. Use the crimping tool and dies for the crimping process as specified in the instruction sheet. Step 3. Complete the crimping process by performing 3 adjacent crimping as shown. You have successfully completed crimping using a battery-operated crimping tool. Cable lug connections using a manually operated hydraulic crimping tool. Step 1. Insert the cable or conductor into the barrel of the cable lug. Step 2. Use the crimping tool and dies for the crimping process as specified in the instruction sheet. Step 3. Pull the switch on the crimping tool to insert and place the dies in position. Step 4. Complete the crimping process as shown. Wait till crimping is complete. Note: once the crimping is complete, ensure that the excess material is removed and the surface of the connection are cleaned to avoid resistance and corrosion. You have now successfully crimped the cable and lug using the hydraulic crimping tool. Here are some do's and don'ts to be taken care of while crimping. Do's: before crimping, ensure that all the cable strands have completely entered the barrel length. Ensure to use the complete barrel for crimping. Ensure to use the cable lug of recommended size for a particular cable. In case of multiple crimping, ensure that the first crimping is done closer to the lug palm. Don'ts: do not cut or disturb any wire strand once the cable insulation is removed. Do not strip the cable insulation more than what is recommended. Do not use mismatching crimping dies. Do not use any crimping tool other than the manufacturer recommended. For more information on our range of cable management solutions including cable lugs, cable clans, cable ties and cable cleats, please contact us at marketing@access-india.com.